Hello, today you are looking at a Hydrovane Model 218 50 horsepower Rotary Vane air compressor brought to you by Surplus Industrial Supply. This unit was built in 1988, runs really well. It's set up for a 460 volt right now. Again, it's a 50 horsepower unit, 218 CFM, 125 PSI, has approximately 19,000 hours. Overall dimensions are 78 inches long by 36 inches wide by 48 inches tall. Unit weighs approximately 1,250 pounds. Good condition. Runs quiet. Ready to work for you guys. If you have any questions on this item or any other items at Surplus Industrial Supply, please contact us at 616-451-4100 or check us out online at www.surplusindustrialsupply.com. Thank you and have a great day.